Hey guys, it was so nice to see y'all's personal narratives last week. Only 3 weeks of school left, and we're going to spend them writing informational reports. I'm going to kick things off by reading you an example of an informational report.
So this is an example of an informational report. And at first glance, when I look at it, it looks a little bit different from the personal narratives we did last week. I notice this map. I see some headings. So that's already giving me some clues about how an informational report is different from a personal narrative. So let's read. Jamaica. Most of the time when people think about Jamaica, they think about a small country island that is part of the Caribbean Sea. The island of Jamaica is surrounded with beaches like Doctor's Cave, 7 Mile, and Calabash Bay. This Caribbean island is known for its crystal blue water and its soft sandy beaches. However, there are a few things you may not have known about Jamaica. Weather. With an average yearly temperature of between 80 and 90 degrees, Jamaica doesn't have 4 defined seasons like most countries. In Jamaica, the wind from the sea cools the island during the day and night, giving it a tropical climate. Jamaica's summer months are only slightly warmer than its winter months. The natives of Jamaica will tell you that the winter months of November, December, January, February, March, and April are the best time to visit the island. Though you may want to avoid Jamaica in the late summer because that is their hurricane season. Sports. Another thing you may not have known about Jamaica is that they are big on sports. Mainly the sports of cricket and track and field. Cricket is similar to baseball because in this sport, you use a bat and a ball. However, the rules are very different. Cricket was once the biggest pastime played in Jamaica. Later, sports like golf, football or soccer, and basketball came around. Over the years, many Jamaican athletes have had much success in track and field. You may be surprised to hear that the fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt, calls Jamaica his home. Usain Bolt is a Jamaican sprinter known for his gold medals and breaking world records for 100-meter and 200-meter distance races. Music. Last, Jamaica is the birthplace of a type of music called reggae. It was created by combining a few Jamaican music styles such as ska, mento, and calypso music. In the 1960s, they began calling this music reggae because of the ragged style of the dance music. One of the most popular reggae singers is Bob Marley. He is most known for songs like No Women, No Cry, and One Love. In honor of reggae music, Jamaica's Prime Minister has designated February official reggae month. Jamaica is known for more than its sandy beaches and its beautiful blue sea. With the reasons listed above, you can see that Jamaica has plenty more in store for the people who call it home, as well as the people who come to visit.
So what did the author write about? How is this piece different from the personal narratives that we wrote last week? Good! The author was sharing facts with us. I didn't hear any of those personal pronouns like I, my, we, that we used in our personal narratives last week. Instead of telling a story about something in their life, the author was giving us information about a topic.
We also noticed that the author included a map, headings for the different subjects, and had a separate introduction and conclusion.
That leads me to a question. Is an informational report fiction or nonfiction? Well, I know that the author is sharing facts and information. And since they're giving me a collection of true facts, that means it is nonfiction. Good. The author is an expert who's teaching the readers about a topic.
Let's take a moment to summarize what we learned in a chart. So, in an informational report, you are an expert and you are sharing facts about a topic with the reader. So let's think of some examples of informational reports. You could give a report about your favorite animal. So maybe if you really like sharks, you could give a report about sharks. You could give an informational report about a historical figure. So maybe someone that you've studied in school. So maybe a report about Martin Luther King Jr. Or you might give a informational report about something else that you know about, like maybe a plant's life cycle. And remember, you are sharing facts about a topic, so it's not like our personal narratives where you're talking about something that you've done. You're just sharing information about a different thing. Sharks, Martin Luther King, life cycles, whatever your topic that you choose is.
Over the next 3 weeks, we will be learning how to write an informational report, and you get to write along with me. You'll get to pick a topic, we're going to learn how to research, and then we're going to publish our reports. I can't wait to see what you write.